ध्यानमूलं गुरुर्मूर्तिः पूजामूलं गुरुर्पदम् मन्त्रमूलं गुरुर्वाक्यं मोक्षमूलं गुरुर्कृपा.
Hari Om, Jai Gurudev. Our Puja Gurudev was the greatest Guru of contemporary times. And it is not only me saying that. This has been said by many saints, by many scholars, and by many gurus. In the same way, when Krishna came down to earth, he had so many associates and gods who came down with him to assist him in his mission. And our Gurudev, when he came, many great saints and scholars also appeared with him. They are so numerous that I cannot even start naming them. Gurudev had many accomplishments, but his crowning glory was the putting together of the four Vedas into one Ved Bhagwan for the whole world to see and to hear and to understand and to read. He always said, the Vedas are for the whole world. Our Gurudev even said that the Vedas are as old as time. They were given to the world at the start of time, and it is actually an operating manual because it guides us on everything, all the topics under the sun. And these Vedas have been passed down over the ages from Guru to Chela. And mind you, this has been passed down, all remembering mentally and verbally, and nothing written in the past. It was finally in this age that our Puja Gurudev was given this great responsibility, and I'm sure that was by the Lord himself, to put all the four Vedas together in one world. And that is how great our Gurudev was, and that is how great his accomplishment was. Gurudev knew that very few people will be able to read the entire Vedas, or why the entire Vedas, even one or two mantras will be difficult for many of us to read. So he made it easier. He said that we can even listen to just 4 Ved mantras, one from each Veda every day. And that will give us the benefit of the entire Ved path. And it takes only 3 minutes, even less than 3 minutes to listen to the 4 Ved mantras. I'm sure we all miss our Puja Gurudev a lot. We who were actually initiated by him are most fortunate that we were born in this era. Let us all make a joint attempt to keep his memories alive for our generations to come. To achieve this, we must necessarily preserve his books and lectures, make more copies, and distribute them to schools and vidyalayas. Distribute more Vedas all over the world. Translate his Jivani into English so millions can read about him. We should have a complete central library with all his books, lectures, and a record of all his achievements. In the same way that up to today, we still remember the saints of past years like Saint Tulsidas, Sant Tukaram, Eknath, Surdas, Mirabai. In the same way, centuries from now, people should still remember our Puja Gurudev. I would like to thank Dhruv or Shravan, as most of us know him, for compiling the Ved the Pravachan Mala. This was a superhuman effort, but at least through his effort, we can listen to lectures of Gurudev from the 1930s, 40s, up to the 80s and 90s. In fact, me, who had left India in 1970, had sort of lost touch with Gurudev. And it is through this Pravachan Mala that I was once again able to link up with him. Thank you, Shravan, and thank you for all those who assisted him in this task. In the same way, we must all do our share. Who will do it after us? Our next generation hardly knew Gurudev, and so it will be hard for them to relate. So let us get together and formulate plans and assist our dear Guruji, Swami Bhaskaranandji, in this mission. He is doing his best, but there is only so much he can do. And we all have to do our part. My suggestion is that we form a committee and make priorities and distribute the seva. Of course, all plans that we make must first be approved by our dear Guruji, as he is the ultimate authority. As a first step, please contact more Gurubhais, Guru Bands, and let us all get together either on Facebook or through email. Another option is that we could also meet up together at Holi. Every year there is a big Holi Mahotsav in our Vrindavan ashram, and in the coming year there's a lovely Ram Katha by Swami Rajeshwaranandji Maharaj at Shrot Muni Nivas from March 8 to 14. We can meet up there, make plans. Guruji also will be there, and we can have it approved by him and set our priorities in order. In the meantime, let us continue to please our Gurudev by chanting the mantra he gave us, by listening to the 4 Ved mantras, by checking on the Vedas in our area and seeing that they are well kept, by going to Vrindavan regularly, by keeping in touch with each other and supporting our dearest Guru Swami Bhaskaranandji Maharaj, and most of all by keeping in touch with each other. I shall now play the 4 Ved mantras that Gurudev have asked us to listen to every day. Thank you once again, and let us work together for our Puja Gurudev. Hari Om, Jai Gurudev.
इस तरह चारों वेदों का भी निजमा के चारों वेदों का पूरा पाठ न कर सकें तो उन वेदों का एक एक मंत्र बोल दिया जाए। तो वो चारों वेदों का एक एक मंत्र में बोल देता हूँ ताकि चारों वेदों का पारायण ही समझा जाए। और गुरु ग्रंथ साहिब में पूरा जब होता है फिर दोबारा फिर जपजी पढ़ते हैं कि यानी फिर आरंभ समझा जाए कि काम चलता ही रहे। ओम अग्निमीळे पुरोहितम यज्ञस्य देवमरित्रेयं होतारं रत्नधातमं। ऋग्वेद मंडल पहला, सूक्त पहला मंत्र। इषेतोर्ये त्वा वाजवस्थः देवो व सविता प्रार्पयतु श्रेष्ठतमाय कर्मण। आप्यायध्वं अगन्या इंद्राय भागं प्रजापतिरनमीवा अयक्षमा। मावस्तेन ईशत् मागशंसो ध्रुवा अस्मिन् गोपतु स्यात् बहुवीर यजमानस्य पशून् पाहि। शुक्ल यजुर्वेद अध्याय पहला, कंडिका पहली। अगन आया ही वीतये गृणानो हव्यदातये निहोता सदसि बर्हिषि। सामवेद प्रपाठक पहला, अर्ध पहला, दस्ती पहली, मंत्र पहला। ये त्रिसवता परियन्ति विश्वारूपाणि बिभ्रतः वाचस्पतिर्बलातेषां तन्नो अर्धधातु में। अथर्ववेद कांड पहला, मंत्र पहला, सूक्त पहला। अब जिससे चारों वेदों के मंत्र भी न बोले जाए, वो फिर एक गायत्री को बोले, ओम भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।